Okay, we're back. Something happened with the camera, so we're going to do it again. This is Jade. She'll be in it now. Casen is not here. He went
So
home.
we already did these two.
Well, you remember. If you haven't, go watch part 1 first, because this is part 2. I see it from the title.
A paper guy.
Oh no. Oh no. Peanut butter.
Yeah.
Oh, where's my cup?
Well, this.
Why is it crunchy?
It's super chunk. Super chunk.
Hold on, Jade.
I'm gonna put this on. Should I put it in or on your back? I'm just gonna set the spoon in here since
Okay.
you probably won't finish the peanut butter.
Jade, here you go.
Okay, so
Please,
super chunky peanut butter.
Yeah, that's not good. It's like,
Okay, 2 more things. Wait. Casen isn't marking it down.
okay.
So you've gotten the caramel and the peanut butter, huh? Caramel.
I got 2.
peanut butter. And we have 2 more things to do. This is gonna be really.
So I missed the syrup. That's
Okay,
it.
ready? Next.
So I have to get everything right to be up with where Casen's at. Hold on, my eyes itchy. Okay.
Lay your head back.
Sunflower seed.
What flavor? Want another one?
Mm-hmm.
Here's the bag you can put it in. That's not. Yeah.
Put it on the table.
I don't know why I'm still feeding it to you, you know?
Still pickle?
Yeah. Oh, and so he got that one right.
It's like a bird.
Oh. Let me mark that down. And so if he gets this next one right, he is going to be caught up with Casen and...
And Brinley will be the winner. I can't win.
Yeah.
My eyes itchy, so I have to itch it like. Feels weird.
Yeah. Can't open this.
So in the comments, put down questions you want to ask us, because we'll do a video on questions that you put in the comments, and so we'll answer those questions. And
Why
you
can't I open
can
this?
ask anything.
Sorry. I can't open it.
This is the last thing. I was gonna say peanut before, but then I'm gonna go like bite it and then. I was gonna say. Never mind.
You want that garbage, Jaden? It's 55 cents.
Okay. Must be
The sticker says.
must be new.
Yeah, but you know.
New product.
Oh gosh, it's not a new product.
I mean, a new product? What?
Yeah, you said.
Hashtag
Oh, it
new.
must be a new.
I mean, like, we bought it new. A new
Oh, it
product.
says.
Eyes are itchy.
Sorry, I am trying so hard to open this. I'm just so weak.
Is the video still going?
Yeah, I'm sorry, guys. I'm weak. Oh, you opened something. What is it? Oh. Just saying where to go for a recipe. With this. Stop it! Sorry.
I can see my eyelashes.
There's a freaking... Okay, I almost have it open. Are you laughing or are you like spitting something out?
I'm blowing in my nose. Are you still here, Judy?
She wants to leave because she's getting so bored because I can't open this stupid thing.
Is she laying down? No. So soon we're going to be doing unboxing videos with Universal Yubs and what's yours called?
Kawaii box.
Whatever she said.
Kawaii.
Oh, back. So we'll be doing that and some other challenges soon. So if you subscribe, then you'll be able to be like the first people to watch those.
There, we're almost there.
Finally.
You if you could smell this, this is really.
Oh,
I just spilled it.
I can't smell it.
It is really strong.
A lot of these you can't even smell except for this one. I can't smell it though.
I can smell it. It's pretty strong. Do you like that, Jay? Sorry, tip your head back.
Uh-oh. I know it. It's good.
I'm gonna get the top back on.
All that for just this. It's bacon.
Yep. Wait, what kind of bacon?
Pig bacon?
No.
What?
They're bits.
No.
Privates, I mean.
Well, they're.
Bacon.
I was gonna say they make different kinds of bacon now. Like I thought you meant like flavors.
Oh.
Like,
They have different flavors. They have
I know they have like salt. So that was for all mine.
turkey bacon, not offended.
I don't know if that tastes different. I think it's just. Oh my gosh.
Is it yummy? Do you like bacon?
Well, at least we saved
I cannot get this stupid thing on.
55 cents if we go use it. It expires June 18th and next year. 2017.
Like, seriously, it does do not Or, I mean, July 18th. Sorry.
That'll be a month ago. So when we were in Washington D.C., this lady, she came up and handed us all these coupons for dessert, or it was ice cream. And so we went to go to the store, and on the way we looked at another coupon, and it expired 2 years ago. And she gave it to us that day. She was a worker too, and she gave us expired coupons from 2 years ago.
Gosh.
So
Do
we
you want
didn't
to take this off? Not
I
that.
don't know. I'm just gonna take.
I share food with you. There you go. Oh.
Shady.
Here's a piece of bacon. Yummy, 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 yummy.
Can't get it off.
I know my fingers are breaking.
Should we just push it down?
That's what I was trying to do.
Just like stays
I'll
up.
share some more with you.
Soon they're gonna like make a thing that you can like smell it through the phone. That's gonna.
Want it?
I don't know how it's gonna work, but somehow. Or they're gonna do like a thing that you could like type in something and they'll put in the smell to the phone. That'd be cool. They should do that. At first I thought that was pepper. Pepper sunflower seeds. So I think we're gonna end the video right now. This is gonna be a long video.
Yeah,
With
Casen
both of
left.
them, it's 25 minutes.
Casen left.
Yeah. So, thanks for watching. Subscribe so you can be the first people to watch our videos.
Comment down below.
Yeah, like comment your questions you want to ask us, and what challenges we should do. So, thanks for watching.
Love you.
Bye.